In order to check if your Google Pixel 10a is unlocked, we can open Settings on your phone. Next, in Settings, we're going to proceed to About Phone over here. And first, we need to enable developer options. So in here, we have to scroll down and search for the build number, which should be at the very bottom of this menu. And you need to keep tapping on build number until you need to enter your screen lock password, or until you need to use biometrics in order to confirm yourself that it is you. Once you see this message that you are now a developer, we're gonna go back to Settings, and this time we're gonna choose System Settings above. In the System Settings, you should be able to find Developer Options over here in Advanced. And now, in Developer Options, we need to find OEM Unlocking. If you can enable this option, if you can tap on the switcher to turn it on, then it means that your phone, that your Google Pixel 10a is indeed unlocked. However, if this option is deactivated, you cannot turn it on, then it means that your phone is locked. Now keep in mind that if you managed to enable OEM unlocking, remember to turn it off afterwards once you are done. It is recommended to keep this option disabled. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.